you serious? There's still a fly in here. I need to get rid of this. All right, here we go. So I had the wonderful opportunity to attend Boiler Room in Chicago at Grant Park. What I did was actually I bought a couple of disposable cameras, and I think that something good came out of it. I find the medium itself of just clicking around with a point-and-shoot disposable camera, I think also kind of honors it. For those of you that don't know, Boiler Room is essentially a lineup of DJs. The whole idea is meant to be based on curation. Boiler Room curates the list of DJs who then curate the music. And essentially, this is what has been happening throughout clubs throughout the world. Boiler Room is just doing this in a digital way. So imagine Boiler Room being an online club that's putting on people throughout the world. And that to me is the biggest reason to consider this important, because it's taking that philosophy and it's taking that tradition and elevating it to the next platform, which is streaming online. I had been going to clubs in Chicago, and you know, at first when you go in your 20s, it's like just an incredibly fun experience when you start to discover different types of music and culture and just the energy of the city, or just kind of discovering like the different pockets of where you find music that appeals to you, or a culture that appeals to you. I just found that to be in its immediate intake of like when I first was discovering the energy of Chicago. It was just like very, in many ways, intense and overwhelming. And when I went to Boiler Room after, however many years that I've been out in Chicago, being out in Chicago, just as a music lover in general, without any sort of professional credentials, I just found the development of house music in Chicago being honored very respectfully from Boiler Room itself. And it's crazy to see the birth of house music in Chicago go so widely spread, and then have it return to Chicago in its newest form, which is online and through Boiler Room. And to me, Boiler Room is picking up that baton and pushing that out into the newest generation of music lovers, culture lovers, ravers. I just really find it to be the next evolution of culture and music, and I just found that to be just incredibly important, and just a wonderful moment.